Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make waffle cones using an easy method. First, gather your ingredients. 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 large eggs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk these together until smooth. Next, preheat your waffle cone maker to a medium setting. This ensures even cooking and a perfect golden brown finish. Once your batter is ready and the iron is hot, pour about 2 tablespoons of batter onto the center of the waffle cone maker. Close the lid and cook for approximately 60 to 90 seconds. You're looking for a beautiful golden brown color. The exact cooking time may vary slightly depending on your specific appliance, so keep an eye on it. Don't overcook, or they'll be too brittle to roll. As soon as the waffle cone is cooked, carefully remove it from the iron. It will be very hot and pliable. Immediately place it over a cone roller or use a clean kitchen towel to help you shape it into a cone. Work quickly, as it will harden as it cools. Once shaped, place the cones seam side down on a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them maintain their crispness. After your delicious waffle cones have cooled and hardened, store them in an airtight container at room temperature. They will stay fresh and crispy for several days, ready for your favorite ice cream or other treats. These homemade cones truly elevate any dessert experience. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing, easy-to-make waffle cones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.